Hi, Lake Travis teachers. This is going to be a quick video on the basics of creating a Bitmoji classroom. We're going to cover adding a background, adding images, and adding text. You just start with a blank Google slide. I've already named it Mrs. Rivera's Bitmoji Classroom. I'm going to delete these boxes that come with the slide. I don't need those. And now I need a background. If you are already added to our Bitmoji Classroom Resources Drive, you've got a whole bunch in here that you can borrow from. If you are not, please request access and we can add you. There are some great backgrounds here. Let's see, I like this one. If you find one that you like from the Google Drive, all you have to do is copy and paste. Let's see, I'm going to do this one. So I'm copying. I Control-C on my keyboard. You can also right-click, copy, go to yours, right-click, paste. Voila, we do not need to link. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of that blank one there. Now, I think I need a bookshelf. So in this Google Drive, we've also added a space for clip art, and y'all, there are so many things. Let's see, I'm gonna go to this one. This gray one caught my eye as I was scrolling, so I'm going to copy that one. Okay, I'm going to move it back a little, shrink it just a little. Now, if you don't want to pull one from the Google Drive, you can add one from the internet. So there are a few ways you can do this. You can go Insert, Image, Search from Web. Anytime you are searching from the web, you're going to need to search it with the word transparent. For example, if I want comfy chair, there are a bunch that pop up, but if I drag one of these over, it's going to bring back its own background, which we don't want. So add the word transparent. Let's see what happens. Okay, great. There's a chair. Probably not the one I would actually pick, but you get the idea. Okay, there's a chair. Now, if you're not going to go through this add-on on the side, you can just simply open up images.google.com. And let's see, I think I also need a whiteboard. You can type in the word transparent, or you can type in PNG. A PNG is the kind of file that is transparent. You can see, like if I click this button, the checkered is already behind it. It's already behind it on the preview. Let's copy that one and see what it looks like here. It still has the checkered on it. Boo. So whenever you're looking in your Google search, you're looking for a checkered background that disappears quickly. Okay, that one was loading. It was kind of hard for me to tell. No. Oh, that one. Did you see that one? I'm going to go back. It loaded for a second, which means it's also close enough that it probably wouldn't matter. I'm going to paste that one. Perfect. And it doesn't have a weird white background. So it is a PNG file. PNG just means it's transparent around the image that you want, like a clip art. Okay, there's that guy. Let's see. I would like to add a couple of books to my bookshelf. So I'm going to go back to Google. I'm going to look up the cat in the hat. Now, most books are the perfect shape, so you don't have to look for a PNG or a transparent file. I'm going to copy that. Paste it. I'm going to shrink it. Put it on the shelf. Perfect. Okay. Let's do, one of my favorite ones. Don't let the pigeon drive the bus. Copy. Paste. Shrink. And move. Okay. Now, this is how you add anything. You're adding clip art, or you're adding PNG and transparent files. Let's say I want a lamp right here. I'm going to search I'm going to search lamp PNG. Let's see. Oh, so here are some that already have the checkered behind it, which means it's not a true PNG, but I bet this one is. Let's see. Did you see how the checker did pop up over here? That's how you can tell. Voila. Oh, it looks like I need a table. I'm going to go to the Google Drive for one of those. Let's see. There are so many things in here. Tables. Here we go. This little white one looks perfect. I'm going to copy that one. Go back to my classroom. Paste. Okay, so now I'm running into a thing where the table is on top of the lamp because of the order I put them in here. Instead of playing with it like this, you'll never get it right. This is where you can use the order function. So I'm going to click. If you click order, it will let you send that thing to the front, forward, backward, or to the back. Right now it is in the back, so I'm going to bring it to the front. And did you see how it popped over that picture? That would be the same thing as if, let's say, this bookshelf was actually in the front. Those books are there, but you just can't see it. I'm going to undo that. The last thing I would like to show you is adding text. So you'll click this little square with the T in it, and it will give you a text box that you draw. Welcome to Mrs. Rivera's class. Now, I don't love that font. I'm going to change it to one that I have. Make it look more centered and presentable. Perfect. Now, those are the basics. If you want to add anything here, you will do that by going and finding an image and copying and pasting it. The way that you can really get it to look like a scene is with those transparent images, and then playing with the size and the order of how things are laid out in your room. You should have already seen how to add your Bitmoji in, but just in case you don't know, I'm going to add me in really fast. You'll go up to the Bitmoji icon, click that. I'm going to search the word sit. It shows me sitting, and it dragged me in. Perfect. Now I'm facing the wrong way. Oh no. Also, I'm too big. Let's shrink me down. In order to get this facing the other way, I'm going to right click. You will rotate it, and you're going to flip it. So you can rotate the whole thing clockwise. That can come in handy when you've pasted something sideways. But I'm going to flip it horizontally, and then I'm going to move me to my chair. She looks great. The next video will cover removing backgrounds so that you can make images transparent. Thank you, guys.